wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a really pretty wig. This one's the Brave the Wave by Raquel Welch in the color R13F25, also known as Praline foil. I'll discuss the color in a little bit more detail when I take the wig off to show you the cap, but suffice it to say this is a really great ash brown color with some really lovely light foils in the front. This wig is great. I haven't done anything to it aside from maybe run my fingers through it. And it's just got all these layers. Now it does have a lot of body to it. I mean, it's definitely kind of like 80s hair. Like I feel like I'm in a Breck commercial. Boy, I make myself sound dated, don't I? But anyhow, like a Praline commercial. But no, this is a really lovely cut. Beautiful texture right out of the box. I love this thing going on over here. This swoopy-doo going off to the side. This is really super glam. Before I do anything else, I want to go ahead and show you what this one looks like on all sides because it's really, really pretty. Now, to be perfectly frank, I think this one is definitely a little bit more vintage looking than something like Jon Renau's Scarlet. It's definitely, I mean, it's in the same length realm. I mean, it's definitely not as short as the January that Jon Renau just came out with, or the Sweet Talk by Gabor. This is definitely, you know, almost shoulder length. It's very, very much like a shorter mid-length cut, if that makes sense. But I'm stumbling to try to find words to describe it. Basically, the curls on Brave the Wave are not like, you know, shattered corkscrews. They're not like, you know, that boho wave thing. They're a little bit more like the curls on their celebrity wig, which are definitely like more traditional big body curls, okay? You can kind of see that, and that's why it has so much volume here at the bottom. It definitely looks sort of like, you know, the 1980s distilled into a wig. I don't even care though, because it's so pretty and it's elegant and professional and flirty, and I'm so ordering one of these in a different color for my personal use, because I love this color, but this is not one that I would wear, you know, in real life. I'm trying my best to review all kinds of colors to kind of make sure I'm hitting everybody's sweet spot. But for me, I would probably order this for personal use in like a brunette color or a red, because that's really my comfort zone. But anyhow, I need one of these. This one is really ridiculous. It's so cute. It's just so cute. And when I first started looking for wigs almost a decade ago, I swear to you, almost every stinking wig that was on the market was straight. It was really hard to find anything that had a little bit of a curl. And I have naturally curly hair, so I'm always looking for something that's got a little bit of texture to it. This one's awesome. It's super cute. And I have a suspicion this one's gonna sell out really fast, especially in these initial runs, just because as soon as people start to see how darling it is, they're gonna want one. So just let you know, if you're in that boat and you see this video and you're like, I really need that, get on that, sister, because when people see how cute this stuff is, they tend to go at it really quickly. But I can almost guarantee you this one's gonna sell out quickly. It's just too cute. And it's really on trend. Let's talk some specs. The cap on this one, average, very comfortable on me. And now it's not like loose, it's definitely on the snug side, but I think it's a very nice and comfortable cap, and it will stretch as you wear it. It's got memory 3 cap technology, which is very accommodating, especially if you wear it for about 30 to 45 minutes consecutively. It tends to stretch out a little bit more as you wear it. The weight here is 4 ounces, really nice weight for a wig of this length. You get quite a bit of hair with it though, as you can probably see here. The front is 7.5 inches. Now take all these measurements with a heaping grain of salt because, yeah, she's curly. So it's gonna be a little shorter in real life than what these measurements indicate. The crown down is 9.5. The sides are 7.5. The back is 9.5, and the nape is 6. Yeah, this one's great. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So Brave the Wave has a lace front. It is a contoured lace front and a monofilament side part. There is permatease over here on the side opposite of where that lace material and monofilament insert are. You can see that there is felt lining the perimeter of the top of the cap. This has Memory Cap 3 technology, which, as I mentioned in previous videos, most notably my review of Stop Traffic. This is really only going to help grip if you don't have hair on the back of your head. It's a superfluous cap feature if you have hair there, but it's not going to hurt anything. And they do have other features here that are superfluous for people who have no hair that are good for you, because you can see here, boom, felt on the nape. It is an extended nape. We have Velcro here in the back to help adjust it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You see we've also got Velcro here on the ear tabs. And it is really nice and stretchy back here. Makes this one really easy to wear. And she weighs about 4 ounces, so she's really nice and lightweight. I wanna show you what this looks like on the top here. This monofilament insert is really nice and well done there. Finally focused, you can see there. And I'll show you the lace front a little bit more when I put it on. This is a great color, by the way. This is the Praline foil, the R13F25. It's really luscious. If you like ashy colors, well, check that out. This is a really nice sort of light ashy brown in the back. It's kind of like a sandy brown. It's got bunches of different colors all blended together back here, but the overall effect is definitely ashy. And then here we've got in the front a really lovely blended sort of sandy blonde, which is kind of like got bits of almost like a soft copper in there, maybe like a butterscotch. We've also got little hints of like a light ash platinum, really lovely blended color all throughout. And that lighter color is right in the front, and then it gradually transitions into the rest of the wig, which I'll show you now. I'll put it back on. So before I go, I want to show you this lace front. So the camera zooms really fast. It's like, yep. So you can see here, they put that lighter color in the front, which is great in terms of the knotting because it kind of melts right into my forehead here. These monofilament part wigs right down the center of that monofilament insert, so you don't see the seam on either sides of it. You can see that's well done. The lace front on this one's really nice. I get pretty good coverage here on the sides. This is not a rooted color though, so you can still see my sideburns poking through. Like I said, I would normally pick a brunette color so that way I don't have that issue. But check out how cute this color is. I love this color. It's so pretty. Maybe if my hair gets a little bit grayer, I'll move on to this one because I think that this is the kind of color that would blend with gray sideburns really well. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs. That's CysterWigs.com, and I'm bringing you the Brave the Wave wig by Raquel Welch. I predict this one's gonna be a hot seller. In the color R13F25, also known as Praline foil. Great color, as I mentioned a couple times. Great wig. I definitely need to buy one of these before they sell out because I'm in love with it. It's just really, really cute. And thank goodness they're making more curly styles for people like me who have naturally curly hair. But you know what? I think a lot of brands are also coming out with more straight styles if you are Not really loving the more voluminous cuts that seem to be so popular this year. So in either case, we've got you covered. Just check out my Wigs store if you get a chance. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of fun here. We see a lot of hair. I play dress up prolifically, and you can come along and, you know, see how all of these styles look before you buy. Kind of see which ones pique your interest and which ones don't look anything like their product pictures. I think this one's actually pretty true to the picture, except of course, keep in mind they're very heavily styled, so, you know, maybe it's a little fluffier on Raquel, but I think this one is really, really pretty. So, double thumbs up for Brave the Wave. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.